Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. And today I'm gonna do I consider not unboxing, but yeah, this is a new bag that I got from Lazada, and it's my favorite now. So this is it. So this is the pouch, and then ta-da! Do you love the bag? I love it so much because there's a handle here. So behind the key face, look at the color. So this is the back, Eton Week. Yeah. Okay. Um, Eton Week, the tag, and then the size is 350 times 260, 35 cm times 26 cm times 2 mm. Okay, so here's the back by the side, the clutch behind. You see, the hammering. Okay, it's a premium zip. It doesn't look cheap. Okay, the compartment here, and this thing, and then the strap for the side, this side, and a long strap for the other side, like this. Ta-da! Okay, and if you like the bag, the link will be below the video. Okay, so yeah, one more the details and the spike. So this is one of my favorite, and here the front I forgot Superman. Then what's this? American American. I forgot the name. Wonder Woman and Batman. Yeah. So it's super for the super person like you. Thank you for watching. Bye.